At Fiberego, we understand the importance of efficient packaging. To maximize space in the container, we utilize a compression packaging method for our fibers. This method not only increases the volume and quantity of fibers that can be loaded, but also simplifies the loading and unloading process. Fiberego is a global manufacturer and supplier of fibers, offering a wide range of fiber types and modified products under the Fiberego brand. Our headquarters is located in Dallas, USA, with manufacturing plants, regional offices, and warehouses in China. Our technical support team is always ready to collaborate with our customers, solving any problems and assisting them in growing their business. With Fiberego's compression packaging method, we ensure that our fibers are loaded more efficiently, making it easier for our customers to handle and transport their orders. Fiberego, your